They've been working together. We've been brainstorming as a class, and then they came up with some of their own ideas as partners that they want to share with you. And you can see their illustrations up there as they say what a way that they can show self-control. I can show self-control by
waiting my turn to talk.
I can show self-control by
Being quiet in the library.
I can show self-control by
Using my words.
I can show self-control by
Not laughing when someone falls.
I can show self-control by
Being a good sport.
I can show self-control by
Keeping my eyes away on paper.
I can show self-control by
Eating my dessert after dinner.
I can show self-control by
Waiting my turn to slide.
I can show self-control by
Not pushing anyone.
I can show self-control by
Listening to directions before I start my word.
I can show self-control by
Using kind words.
I can show self-control by
Not pushing someone back.
I can show self-control by